Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be doing a brown smoky eye tutorial. I've already started my base. I've already done my eyebrows, foundation, concealer, powder, blush, highlighter, bronzer. And in this video I'm just going to be focusing on my eyes and my lips. So yeah, keep on watching. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to be using a couple of palettes to create my brown smoky eye, and the palette I'm going to be dipping into first is my Morphe 35F palette, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade called Illusion, which is this one, and I'm just going to be dipping into that shade and just run that into my crease for my transition shade. And I'm going to be doing the same to the other side. And then now I've done that, I'm going to be dipping into the shade called Trene, which is this one. I'm going to be dipping into that. And just focus that on the outer part of my eyes. I'm really trying to deepen the outer part of my eye. Blending that all the way out. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Loki! Hello my baby! What are you doing? You come up here. Come on then my baby boy. Oh, you're beautiful. Do you want to say hi to the camera? Isn't he beautiful? Eh? And then now I'm going to be getting my Jeffree Star brush, and I'm going to switch palettes, and the palette I'm going to switch to is my Naked one by Urban Decay, and I'm going to go into the shade called this one. It's this one. I'm just going to dip into that, tap it off, and just focus that on the outer part of my eyes. Drag that out a bit. And then now I'm going to be getting a clean brush. I'm going to get a clean brush from Anastasia, and I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm just going to be getting a bit of Book and just run that underneath my eyes. I love doing smoky eyes all the time, but recently I always do my pink, because I love my pink eyes. I think they bring out my eye colour so well. What is everybody's favourite eyeshadow look they do? Do they do a smoky? Do they do more pinky? I really want to try a rainbow eye. And I've done sunset eyes before, but I've always wanted to try like a rainbow eye. I'm just going to be dipping back into the shade called Illusion on the inner part of my eyes, just to bring that lighter colour back in. I'm going to be dipping into the shade called Naked from the original Naked palette, which is this shade. So after I've blended those colours together, I'm going to be getting my Stila Cosmetics Magnificent Metal in the shade Smouldering Satin and just putting it on the first part of my eyelid. So now I'm just going to blend my Stila Magnificent Metal shade, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Ultra K. I'm just blending them two together so there's no harsh line at the outer part of my eyes. So now I've done that, I'm going to be highlighting the inner part of my eyes with the shade called Visible, which is this one from the Morphe palette. Be dabbing into that. Just put it on in, be highlighting the inner parts of my eyes. I'm going to put that same shade underneath my eyebrow bone. And now I've done that, I'm just going to go and curl my eyelashes. And I'm going to be putting mascara on by Too Faced. And I'm going to come closer now and show you what my eyes look like. So, this is what my eyes look like. For lips, I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Posh Spice. So I'm going to move closer for my final look so you can see what I look like. I close my eyes so you can see. So yeah, that is my final look. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on my notification bell. More video ideas down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!